Hey guys, welcome back to Trout Law Outdoors. Today it's Wednesday, May 17th. We're here in central PA. Going to be doing some trout fishing. Just made the 5-hour drive from central Ohio, and we're going to be spending the next 5 days in central PA. Starting the trip out on a small brook trout stream. Man, I can't even talk. I'm so excited, but trying to get on some smaller fish today, some brook trout, maybe do some exploring, and plenty of streams in the area that we're going to be able to hit this week. So my buddy Max is with me. He's in the Jeep here getting ready, and yeah, I got to get kind of unpacked here, so we didn't even make it to the hotel. We're just gonna get dressed and go fishing. So stream looks awesome. So first look at it, looks to be pretty sweet here. So I'm gonna do my best not to spot burn this week for anybody that is local here and fishes local. But yeah, we'll see what this week brings, guys. And like I said, 5 days, and stick with us, and I'll post videos here probably periodically of the fishing adventures we have this week, and probably break it up into a couple parts. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see what we got going on. Got one! Haha! Yeah! The Prince. Oh, dude, it's so pretty. Hey Google. Hey Google. All right, chill. Here, you want to see it? Yes. Bro, I thought I was stuck on a rock again. Yeah. Oh my God, dude. Yes. I don't know. Bro. First cast? Yeah. It's a big one too. It's a rainbow. Dude, I hope my GoPro was recording. Oh yeah.
Something down in there.
That was cool as shit. Bro, he drilled that thing. Look at it. Look at the colors on that thing, dude. Isn't that sick? Yeah. He slammed it through a 7-foot glass streamer, dude.
How much weight you got?
It's a freaking 4mm tungsten bead. Dude, no way. That was so cool. Oh, dude, big one, big one, big one. Oh my God, he's taking me in the roots. Oh, dude, he's gonna snap me off. Come on, baby. The colors on this fish are insane. This is a brookie, bro. Oh, no! No way! Oh! Did you see that?
I only caught a glimpse when it fucking came up.
Oh my! Yeah, it was huge. Like a 14-inch brookie, at least. Do you want to step up and put a couple casts in there? I mean, I've had some fun already. It was right in the root wad, dude.
Did you lose? You didn't lose your
No,
thing,
he
did
just
you?
popped off. Dude, he was putting the wood to me. Wow, that's incredible. All right, guys. Just getting to the second creek of the day here. We're gonna probably fish this upstream from here. And we'll see what we get. Swell, look at this.
There's another big one.
You see this? Oh my God, that was a monster, dude. Yeah, just ate it dry. Oh, there's another one just rose. I'm about to put a dry on. Like I physically can't take that, like watching fish all around me rise. Oh, got one. Whoa, big one. Oh, nice. Well, bigger than the come here, buddy. Oh, he's not gonna play nice. Not gonna play nice. Rainbow. Yeah, it's a stocky rainbow. Stalker rainbow. Do you want to play nice? Okay, get out of there. Go. Dude, that rainbow came all the way out of the water after that. If I can see this, that would be good. Oh, dude, he drilled the dry. Second cast. That's a pretty good one. Oh my God, dude, look at this brown. Oh, bro, this is a monster brown. Yes. Dude, there's Swell, you gotta come over here. I can't see my fly, but if you just throw it in there and then you can kind of watch where they rise, you can slap them. Easy, baby. Let go, baby. Hold on. Feisty bastard. Oh my gosh, you're gonna get all tangled. Hey. Don't do that. I'm trying to get you loose and let you go. Alright. Oh, that's a big one. You come right out from underneath that log. Oh, that was sick. Come here, baby. Oh no, that was a huge brown. Oh, I didn't even record that. Oh, I did record it. It looks like the GoPro got messed up. Man, that was a good one. He came out right from underneath. There's a log over here in the water. Oh man, he just come up and nosed it. Live and learn. There's still some more fish in here. Eating. Oh my God, I got him. That was insane. Oh, he sharked it. Oh my God. Now he got in there in the current. Oh, he's tangled up. Oh my Lord, that was sweet. Is that another big brown? Looks like it. Come here, bud. Ah, it's just a little guy. Decent guy, maybe 12 inches. He's got some awesome red spots on him. Some awesome red spots on his tail there. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Easy. Oh my gosh, that was so sick. That fish came all the way out of the water, right by my fly. All the way to the bank, and I was trying to net it and I lost it. Oh, I got one. Okay, I gotta let you go.
Coming.
All right. Ah! 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 God! No way! Just trying to horse him. Another big one. Oh, it's like every cast. There's a big one I'm trying to get. Oh, no way. There's one. This one's a small one.
I only caught one that was
Oh, lost him. Oh, he snapped me. Seriously? Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm going bright green squirmy.
Bright green squirmy? Oh, that was so sick. Oh my gosh, that was sweet. That's not another, it's not very big either. I mean, it's a good fish. He's putting the wood to me with the 3-weight. Skating it, skating. Oh, this is a rainbow. Yeah. That's the first rainbow I've caught out of this hole. Is it? Bro, there's a monster right there. Get in the water. You all right? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh.
When you look at who Chris Rose is the exact simultaneous time.
Bro, that was sweet.
Shit I've ever seen.
That was sweet. That thing came out from underneath of that log and just annihilated this thing. Oh, come on, buddy. Yeah, he's very colorful. It's starting to rain.